guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be building the Lego Budgie set for ages 8 and up, 261 pieces. So let's get building. Now I have the down Sabby, down Mason, and the hamsters, and now I'm building the Budgie. Now I do have all of these, but I haven't built them yet. I have, but I haven't gotten them yet to build, so let's get building. Now before we start building, I have my scissors and my tape, and I cut this in half to make it this. So here's a montage. I don't know how to do that, but here's how you make a placemat. So after you have done what I have, you cut right here, because all you want is this space and walls that surround it. So let me do that. Okay. Now that you have cut this piece off, you want to tape all of them together. I'll do one to show you, and then you do the rest. Now make sure that it's not like this. You want it to be stretched out so you have more room to put more Legos. Yeah, you can just do it like this, but I suggest doing it like this. I do it like this so that way people know what it looks like for this one. But for different ones, I'll do the other one, okay? So I just got done doing one right here. So now I'm gonna do this one, and this one the exact same way. Let's go. Quick tip. When you do one side, make sure the corresponding one you tape. That way they don't bend. And I just realized, you know your instructions? Boom. Done. Instruction holder. Notice. So I just got done, and it holds your Legos minifigure set when you're done. Plus it holds your thing. Quick tip. I prefer this way better than the other way I showed you, because this way comes with this. So yeah, let's get building. All of the big pieces that don't come in bags like these ones, just put in a slot. I mean, how did Lego even make? Lego could have known that this first bag down 3 minutes ago. Yeah, 3. Okay, done with all the Lego pieces. Now let's get building. I'm just dumping them all out. Okay, so first step, you find one of these. If you want, I can do a time lapse, which I probably will do. Bye. since I'm already on number 9, I will just stop doing video laps, and after I'm done, I'll show you what I have. So I'll pause it. I will do it all. When I feel like showing you my progress, I will. So yeah, let's do it. So I basically have the body done. All I have to do is do the sides and the feet were my hardest part. So yeah, just a quick one, and I'll do a face review, and I'll do a special if I get to 20 subscribers. That's all I ask. 20. I know, actually 15. Bye. See you soon. Now I have my adult Budgie up. Hold on. I really like it. So now, yeah, on the mini Budgie. That's it. Let's do it. So now I am done with both of the Budgies. Now I just have to do this. So yeah, I really like this set so far. I really like this that we made. And you, I know you have your phone because you are watching me, can do this, and do this, do all of these, too. So, just like I said, getting to 15 subscribers, I will give you a face review and a big surprise. Good job. Now, I am done with it all. I even put the stickers on, so I would give this a 4 out of 5. Actually, a 9 out of 10. For this set, both of them have their own little pad that is unique. Oops. Let me just do that. I broke the set. So here it is. This one. Sorry, I'm looking at the camera while I'm doing it. So that one goes there, and then this one goes right there. And that's the set. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more Lego Brickhead videos. For a surprise as well. Okay, bye.